What's up, fam? It's your girl Shereen Nicole back with another review. So in this video, we're gonna be talking about Bella Vita again, baby. Yes, your girl is here for the Bella Vita, okay? I'm loving it. Like I said, I got multiple ones, okay? You remember we had that travel size one. If you didn't go check it out now. Let's go ahead and jump right into this one. So this is how the box comes when you get it. I did already take the perfume out just for show of the box. It is a nice box, a nice casing. It is very snug and holds everything in place. I just want to let y'all know it will come secure, okay? The perfume ain't going nowhere. So this is what the bottle is actually looking like. And she is just so cute. Baby, when I say I get so many compliments on this perfume, I definitely do, okay? I wore this, and I wore this just to go to the post office or whatever, because, you know, I got ready, I took a shower, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go to the post office and pick up my packages. So I get there, the man opens the door, and he was like, oh my God. And I was like, oh shoot, like what you know, what's going on? I'm thinking something's happening. And he was like, what are you wearing? And I was like, yes! It is a Bella Vita Glam, baby. I was like, oh, this is Bella Vita. He was like, well, whatever it is smelling good. And I was like, thank you. So yes, y'all, this is how the bottle comes. Absolutely luxurious. The smell is like nothing you've ever smelled before. It's a soft kind of lavendery, cottony, almost kind of like a baby powderish layout. So that's how I'm gonna describe it. When you put baby powder spray on, or if you put baby powder on and it has other scents added to it, that's what this smells like. It smells like baby powder with added scents, and it's so good. Such a romantic smell. I feel like this would be perfect for Valentine's Day, Christmas, multiple occasions. Honey, take it to the post office like I did and see what happens, okay? Let's go ahead and check out the spray on this bottle. Baby, it's the spray for me. Did you see the mist? Did you see how nice that mist came out? Like, the mist is misting, okay? It's doing what it needs to do. Y'all, I can't make this up. It smells so good. You have no idea. It goes on and it just mellows out right away. It is the best thing I have ever smelled in my life. Honestly, this is one of my favorites. This is one of my favoritas from Bella Vita. If you don't get nothing else, this is it. Now, I did say that about another one, and I feel the same way about that one. So maybe those two. I definitely like white oud, and I am in love with Bella Vita Glam. Like this is a staple, baby. So definitely feel like it's perfect for occasions, evening, nights out. If you're going to I don't know what your business is, okay, but if you're going to the club, you're going to the cruise, and you're going out for dinner later on that night on the ship or something to that effect, any kind of dinner reservations that you might have, like this is gonna be perfect. This is gonna be the perfect staple for that. Like if you're going out on a date, honey, best believe you need to throw this on because they're not gonna leave you alone, okay? That was an older man, okay? I was like, ooh, bringing all the boys to the yard, baby. But yes, y'all, I am absolutely here for Bella Vita. As far as I can tell, all the scents that I've had has not steered me wrong, baby. If this is something that you wanna pick up and you like these scents, then you know what to do. Let's talk a little bit about Glam Women Eau de Parfum. Celebrates beauty with unconventional floral accents. Powerful jasmine brings femininity like no other, while fresh hints of citrusy orange make you a class apart, baby. This is definitely a win. And don't get it twisted, honey. Don't let this bottle fool you, okay? Because you can take this right to the airport. It is 3.4 ounces, and that is exactly what you need to get on the plane, okay?